Excellent notion, brother. I think it's time for a bird party!
I'm free as a bird.
Dawson, let's take a tail feather, baby. She's all like, yeah, and I'm like, what?
I'm free as a bird.
Hey, baby, what's shaking? How you doing? Nice beak.
A bird.
Man, these bird girls are cool.
I told you to back off. My name is Raven. I'm not a raven.
Come on, guys, give me a break.
Look, everybody, garbage!
I'm free as a bird. The bird. The bird. The
Oh, bird dookie.
The feathers are everywhere.
Oi, can we help it if we're molting?
Is that an egg sandwich?
Yeah, maybe? What happened? It used to be cool.
Another nature documentary?
You shut your scone hole!
Chimney's blocked again.
Who shall remove the blockage this time? I no longer like these birds who mock. They are bossy and mean.
Robin was right about them.
Okay, let's see what kind of trash is blocking this thing.
Robin!
Who are you? Robin, it's us. You.
You were right, dude. Those birds are the worst.
You have to help us get rid of them.
Help you. Why? Why should I help you?
Not help us, man. You gotta lead us.
Titans, go!
Oh, I thought we got rid of you.
You got it backwards, friend. Oh, you're getting rid of us?
Oh, you're getting rid of us?
Are you mocking us? Get him!
Birds of a feather, fight together! Sonic!
These guys just won't go!
How did you ever remove them from the chimney the first time?
Birdicide.
Uh-oh, they mutated again.
We have not mutated. Rather, we have evolved into the birds of the future.
With our newly advanced intellects has come an understanding of the futility of conflict.
You have nothing to fear from us, Titans. We have forsworn acts of disgusting violence and desire only to live in peace.
Okay. In that case... Filthy mockingbirds!
Not in the brain.
Oh, that's civilized. Aye, that was me bum.
Filthy mockingbirds!